who's facing discrimination, whose government does not realize that race is an issue that needs to be addressed, not because someone died, and not because someone took out a gun because they have had enough of the violence against them. It shouldn't get that far for things to happen. Ireland has a lot to learn from America, and America has a lot to learn from Ireland. Like right now with the last government, they promised a hate crime legislation which didn't come, because apparently in Ireland the assumption is it's not that bad because we haven't yet reached the peak of France, we haven't reached the peak of America. But is anyone here interested in going that far for things to start to change? Because I certainly am not. I'm not willing to go and fight and willing to go and march every day to demand to be recognized as a human being, to be treated as an equal, because I know what I'm capable of. I just need to be allowed to show myself what I'm capable of and what I can achieve. It's not about everybody else, it's about every individual being able to live their life for themselves, and the society can benefit from that. So, what do we want? Justice. What do we want it?
No.
What do we want?
Justice.
What do we want it?
No.
What do we want?
Justice.
What do we want it?
No.
Black lives do matter. I don't care what anybody else says. One of the most important speeches I've heard in the last while was one Jesse Williams said. He said, just because we are magic does not mean we are not real. That bit caught me, because I started thinking, I'm actually here, I'm real. I can bump into things, I can't walk into them, through them. And they can't walk through me, which means I actually do exist. I'd actually forgotten that bit for a long time. Because every parent, whether they are black, white, yellow, pink, green, orange, you name it, they tell their kids you can do anything you want as long as you put your heart to it. I don't know people, I've never associated with people who encourage their kids to be violent. I know they are there, but I don't associate with them. And you guys are here because you don't associate with those people either. And because you don't associate with those people and you don't believe in them, I call you my friends. And I'm here because you are here. If there was nobody here, I would have had to say, okay, nobody turned up, let's go home. But I'm not looking at you because you're a certain color or you're a certain height. Well, I'm shorter than most people. Some people are taller than me. I have to wear heels to see beyond certain ranges. But you know what? You see me, and that's important. And that matters. And I'm glad we have some young people here who also think this is important. And their parents also thought this was important to bring their kids here, or their nieces and nephews. And that matters to me, and that matters to everybody. And life is a valuable commodity. We should be valued by everyone.
Yeah.
Woo! Woo!
By everyone.
Yeah.
The last time we had elections, we said our votes should count for something. So our votes should count for equality. Our votes should count for peace. Our votes should count for justice. Because when we choose governments, when we choose our members of the DOIL, when we choose our MEPs, what we want them to bring to us is fairness. As fair as equality, as fair as life can be is what we demand. That's what we ask them to do. They can go negotiate and dilly-dally around each other, but the bottom line for every individual is this fair? Are we all getting a fair share of that €1? Are we all getting a fair share of housing, of jobs, education? That's what we count as democracy. Democracy is not just having the right to vote. It's having the right to vote and the vote counting for something. So what do we